let's have a look at this. This is turning out to be a question which is talking about series of numbers. So if you are looking at series of numbers, my sincere suggestion is always try to develop the first few numbers on your own and you will be able to see the pattern. Now they've already given me x of 0, x0 is 1. They've said x1 is turning out to be equals to 2. So now my task is to find out the value of x2. Now I'm looking at the values of n that you have to use to get the value of x2. This is the formula that they've given you for finding out the values of x2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all of those. So n is between 0, 0 all the way for all the values of n is what you can use this formula. So now if I want to get the value of x2, then n has to be 0 over there. If I put n as 0, then only I'll get the value of x2. So what will be x2? x2 will be 1 plus of x1 divided by x0. Correct? x1 was 2 and x0 was 1. So x2 will turn out to be what? 3. Now, if I have to calculate the value of x3, then n has to be equals to 1. So this will give me the value of x3, which will be 1 plus of x2 divided by x1, right? 1 plus of x2 will make it what? 4 in the numerator divided by x1, which is 2. So this becomes 2. If you take the value, if you take the next value of n as 2, then you will get the value of x4. So what will be x4? Now we will try to see if there is a pattern developing over there with 1, 2, 3, 2. As of now, I'm not able to see a pattern over there. So what am I going to get? 1 plus x3 divided by x2. What is x3? x3 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by x2, right? x3 was what? 2. 2 plus 1 is 3 and divided by x2, which is 3. So that gives you what? 1. So I have got now 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Let's see if the next two terms also follows the same, starts to follow the same or not. So if you put n as 3, I'm going to get the value of x5. So x5 will be 1 plus x4 divided by x3, right? x4 was 1, so the numerator will become 2 and x3 was 2. So then x5 is turning out to be equals to 1. So I can see a pattern now, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Then again a 1 has come. If another 2 comes after this, then I'll be able to see, because the number is dependent upon only the last two values. If the last two values have started repeating, then the numbers would start repeating. x6 will be what? x6 will be 1 plus x5 divided by x4. What is x5? x5 is 1. So 1 plus 1 will become 2 divided by x4, which is 1. So this will give me 2. So now the last two numbers are same as these two numbers. That means the series has started repeating. Clear? So the series is repeating as what? 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 as the set of numbers, followed by what? Again a 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So it is following in what? It is following in the terms of 5 bunches. So this term will turn out to be x4 because this is starting with x0. So this will turn out to be x9. Then the next number, which will end over here, will be x14, so on and so forth. So you will realize 4, 9, 14, 19, 24, 29, so on and so forth. So if you look at x2021, I can very easily say x2019 would turn out to be equals to 1, and that will be the last number in its bracket, correct? So 202020 will turn out to be what? The next one, and 2021 will turn out to be what? 2. So x2021 should turn out to be equals to 2. Option D should be the correct answer for that.